I'm sure you can get on here and we'll get to put him. Wait, wait, not yet. He wants to get over here too. Ready, set, go. Have a seat, go. There you go.
Are you kidding me? I'll leave it out here. You thought this was funny? Huh? Who did it? Get over here. Oh.
Wait.
Yeah. Get out of here. Get your hands off. Get your hands off. Come on. Where's he going? You want stuff on me? Huh? Is that what you want to do?
I'm putting it on you. Oh yeah, I'm shaving. Hey, Justin, grab me some. Let me have some. Oh yeah.
I used to run track.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
When? 1980s? I got some, Mommy. No.
Shut up. You're next.
Ah! No!
Come here. This is why you don't have grandchildren. I ain't watching you guys no more. I'm gonna put you up for adoption so you got